road I walk was never paved with dreams. Every step I take is heavier than it seems. The sweat I shed has never lied to me. Every scar I bear is a lesson paid dearly. No one saw me when I hit the ground. No one knows how hard I had to stand somehow. But every night the tears would fall. They were shaping me, making me strong through it all. It's not easy to earn this strength. It costs you pain, it costs your broken days, but it's worth it every time I still stand tall. 'Cause I know I'm not the same at all. It's not easy to walk through weakness inside. Every wound is power that I carry in my life. It's worth it, 'cause I never gave in. I'm strong today, 'cause yesterday I held on then. There's no shortcut for a dream so far. Just a heart that fights, no matter how dark. The voice in my head said this is enough, but my heart replied, I'm not done giving up. Fall and rise again and again. Feel the pain just to know I can stand. If today I'm still on my feet, I already won. Just moments ago, you see, it's not easy to earn this strength. It costs you pain, it costs your broken days, but it's worth it every time I still stand tall. 'Cause I know I'm not the same at all. If one day you feel too weak to try, look back at the road you survived. Strength is never born in comfort or ease. It's born on the day you refuse to retreat. It's not easy to earn this strength, but every drop of sweat has a meaning in the end. And when one day you look back and see, you'll smile and